Can I have a hug tonight? It's almost Sammy's night-night.
They don't. He doesn't care. Let's just get that other one down.
That other one.
Oh, do you want to show? He's Daddy Kissy.
You are one sick bastard. You are just disgusting. Oh, that is just. Do it again.
Girl, give Daddy Kissy.
Come on, Hallie. Give him a big lick. Yeah. Oh, come on, Jason. Put some tongue into it.
Alright, she's tired.
Come on.
Give
That's
Da-
right. Look at Daddy licking Hallie's
Are
tongue.
you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3. Hallie, give Daddy Kissy.
Hallie!
No, that is nasty.
That's awesome. I can't wait till Hallie's licking her privates in a minute.
A lighthouse, right?
I'm gonna splice them. I'm gonna splice them together.
Sammy's new thing is calling it a lighthouse.
What's that?
He calls
it's
a lighthouse.
We need to think of a name.
Sammy's
for her
is
thing.
the lighthouse.
Or every
He
like,
said
if
one
you
night in
went
the
over to
bathtub,
Allie-
he
Oh.
looked at me and goes, looks like a lighthouse.
Oh, that's so funny.
Well, he does love lighthouses.
What's up, buddy?
Wanna try juice?
Toast that.
I tried juice.
You want to try my juice?
Try my
No
juice.
juice.
Oh, you don't want some of this juice. You think you do. Just
I just saw you so warm.
these are the files that will not make it to YouTube. Watch that hand, boy. Keep it clean. Hey, keep it clean.
Yeah. What? Slam it. Slam the lighthouse. Slam the
No.
lighthouse.
I just
Once you start going lighthouses, that would not be
He's going through his little stage, you know.
Punch Grace.